Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Login Aid. In today's video, I'm going to guide you guys on how to download your data from TikTok. For that, make sure to watch the video till the end and you'll be able to do it in no time. First of all, tap open your TikTok. Then you'll be loaded to your homepage interface of TikTok. Then you can see your profile icon on the right lower corner. Tap on it. Then you'll be loaded to your TikTok profile page. Then in profile page, you can see a three-lined icon. Tap on it. Then a menu like this will pop up and you can see settings and privacy as last option. Tap on it. You can see accounts as the first option. Tap on it. After that, you'll be on your account information in TikTok and you can see download your data as the second last option. Tap on it. To download TikTok data, you need to first request the data. To request the data, it might take a few days to process. After your file is ready, it will be available to download. The download option will only be there for 4 days. Then after that, it will expire and you'll have to request again. The download data will include your profile, your activity, your app settings. You can even select your file format to text or machine readable file. After you select it, tap on request data. It might take a while for TikTok to process your data. After it's processed, then it will be ready to be downloaded. For that, come back to this page and the pending option will be converted to the download option. So that's it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.